So Chesnie's falling in love with it now.
Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to keep this one, dude.
All right, so it's Friday.
All day.
Launch day of our first YouTube video. And what are we about to go do right now?
Check out a Sea Ray.
Yeah, we're gonna go look. Yeah, we're gonna go look at another boat right now, all the way up in Santa Barbara. Here we go.
Santa Barbara traffic, guys.
Yep.
We're driving to get our boat, or check out a boat. If it's dinged up, scratch up, break up,
Not worth it.
it's not worth it. But anything's possible. Anything's fixable.
Right.
Yep. So check it out.
I'm gonna buy a new boat, but I shouldn't. Greg was hard saying do it, but wisdom says you couldn't. Every dollar's heavy on my choices, catching fire.
We just got our Sea Ray
Cool.
from this
You get some fish on it, man.
Yeah, that's the goal.
from this cool guy right here. Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
You guys are gonna score.
Yes,
Should be sweet.
appreciate it. What do you have to say, Kevin?
I like it. I know it's another project, but I like it.
I like it too. It looks just like my boat that I
My
had.
first ocean boat.
Alright guys, driving out. Got a brand new project.
I'm gonna buy a new boat, but I shouldn't. Greg was hard saying do it.
No! No! It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Look at that guy.
Buy a new boat, but I shouldn't. Greg was hard saying do it, but wisdom says you couldn't. Every dollar's heavy on my choices, catching
We went overboard again, guys. Again. There's that big old head inside that little hole.
Just a little bit of damage on the old girl here. So Chesnie's falling in love with it now.
Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to keep this one, dude. Like her, man. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, see.
Yeah, so we just took a nice little cruise from Santa Barbara. Didn't really hit too much traffic.
Nope.
Wasn't too bad at all.
Nice Bravo 3 dual prop.
Yep.
No. I think we scored real good on it, so the guide was super cool too.
Yep.
Shout out to those guys.
Yeah, we got a good deal on this thing. $1,600 with the trailer. Not too bad. I didn't even know it had that kicker mount on it.
Christian said not too shabby.
Yep. Pretty good shape actually. Should buff clean up real good.
Not too shabby.
All right, so we're in here just checking out the Sea Ray.
Yeah.
Some of this water must have just came out while we were driving from God knows where. But I'm pretty stoked about this thing.
Very, very stoked. My ride. Take that over.
Well, don't forget there's seats back there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like there's cushions for
Pump is on.
all the.
Oh shit, that's loose, dude.
Oh yeah. We have a piece of plexiglass or something.
Yeah.
Or windows. I see how much an actual glass is.
Yeah, I mean, we probably could get a glass made for that, yo.
Yeah.
Is that a fish right there?
No.
Looks like a fish, right?
Nice, and it turns smooth.
Put a hydraulic system. Got a bunch of oil and stuff in there.
You know what? That's actually a good sign.
Yeah.
As weird as it sounds, that they had everything ready just in case.
You got duct tape, dude.
Yeah, that's where I got that other roll of duct tape from.
Yeah, there you go.
2 rolls of duct tape. Got a nice little cabin in here. It's actually smells pretty good. It's not rotted or anything. A little bit of spider webs will clean this baby out and call it a day. This thing is pretty sweet.
I think so. Yep.
I like it.
Me too. This tower alone is like a couple of $100.
Oh, easily.
Stainless too.
Yep. Polish that baby up and sell it if we get desperate. No. Nah.
Not yet on this. We're not thinking about selling it yet. We need to get you guys out there and get some fish.
I am stoked, guys. This is pretty sweet, actually. I like it. Apparently, this is a 383 Mercruiser, which is like a bored out small block 350. All the hoses and everything feel alright. Just a little bit of water. The wiring's all there. The carb looks a little crusty, but these ignition wires look okay. Doesn't look like there's too much corrosion on them. It's good. Real good. So hopefully this thing just fires right up. Oh, I like that. Oil filter right there in the open. 2 batteries, 3 batteries in this thing, which that is a lot of batteries to replace. But it seems like this thing's just kind of set up pretty well for what they were using it for. We got the fish finder from the guy too. We had to go somewhere else and drive somewhere else to go get the fish finder from him because he forgot it. Should probably lift it up in the front, huh, to get all the water to the back. Right, detached from the truck. Got it up nice and high so all the water will drain out.
It's my boat though, guys. Sorry. I'm in love with the boat, yo.
Safe enough. Yeah, that's good. This is it, guys. 1978 Sea Ray, 24 foot. As you can see, it needs a little bit of love. A lot.
See the shiny vessel on the midnight TV screen. Heart's a reckless captain chasing shattered dreams. Wife's been yelling about the bill stacking high. Kids need new shoes as I watch the sky. Stars look so lonely but they shine so bright. Drowning in these promises, floating through the night. I'm gonna buy a new boat but I shouldn't. Reckless heart saying do it but wisdom says you couldn't. Every dollar's heavy on my choices catching fire.